they're still just a little green, but this one looks like it's starting to get a little mold on it. I'm going to take a chance and pick this one. I'm going to get a couple oranges too while we're at it. Got one here. One there. Oh, that smells so good. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday, December 8th. It's been raining quite a bit lately. I don't want these to mold out here on the plants. This has got a few little dark spots on it. So what do? We're gonna pick. So come on, let's see if there's anything else we want to get. Now that's nice. These are gonna be nice. Okay guys, you need to grow up to be big and strong just like that. Get a little cilantro. There's a little beet. Let's get a carrot. Not really big, but it's a winter garden. Thin these out just a little bit. That's not too bad. Well, I think we're gonna leave this alone in here. Let that grow a little bit. But would you look at that? The shallots are actually coming up. So there's some green onions. And it's still not too late to plant if you're in zone 7 and below. If you got a plastic tub you can use as a mini greenhouse, if you got some bales, or even an old tire. There are a lot of things that'll help insulate your ground with the deep mulch. Just be a little creative. I'd love to see what you're gonna do at your garden. Well, after a little thought, I decided I better come get a little bit of that arugula. Hey, buddy. You can do this too. This may not be the largest carrot or the largest beet, but it's a winter garden and it's gonna be tasty. I got a hunch that lemon's gonna be awful sour, but I think with a little water and a little sugar, it ought to make a nice little lemonade. Well, I'm gonna head to the house and make a little salad. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.